In this video, you'll learn how to buy Trump coin on KuCoin. This process will guide you through each step required to make your purchase effectively. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for KuCoin. Once the page loads, you will see the home page featuring various cryptocurrency options and trading information. Next, locate the button labeled Buy Crypto on the home page. This button is typically positioned prominently on the main interface. Clicking this will direct you to the buy options available for cryptocurrencies. After that, a message will appear indicating that you can buy instantly using Visa, MasterCard, bank transfers, and other payment methods. This confirmation indicates that the platform supports various payment options for your convenience. Then click on the Trade Now button presented on the screen. This action will take you to the trading section where you can select your preferred cryptocurrency for purchase. Once in the trading section, you will see a message stating buy and sell crypto instantly. This reinforces that you are in the right area to proceed with your transaction. Following this, click on the buy option to start the purchasing process. This will bring you to a new screen where you can enter the details of your transaction. Next, click on the currency option labeled USD. This selection allows you to specify the currency you wish to use for your purchase. Type in the amount of Trump coin you want to buy. It is essential to ensure that you are aware of the current market price and that your total purchase amount aligns with your budget. Now, click on the crypto option to select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. This will typically open a search box for you to find the specific coin. After that, click on the search field and type in Trump to locate Trump coin. This search function will help you find the exact cryptocurrency quickly. Once you see Trump coin appear in the search results, click on it to select it for your purchase. This action confirms your choice of cryptocurrency. Next, click on Pay With to choose your payment method. This will display the various payment options available to you. Select your preferred payment method from the options presented. This step is crucial as it determines how you will complete your transaction. Then click on Google Pay if that is your chosen payment method. This action will initiate the payment process through Google Pay. Click on Buy Trump to confirm your intention to purchase Trump coin. This step is essential to proceed with the transaction. Once you click on your pay-in, you will see the transaction details displayed. This confirmation will outline the amount and the currency being used. Next, click on Discount, if applicable. This may show any potential discounts available for your purchase. Click on Pay With again to finalize your payment method selection. This reinforces your choice of payment before you complete the transaction. Click on Trump Price to review the current price of Trump coin before finalizing your purchase. This ensures you are aware of the latest market value. Next, click on Fee to view any applicable transaction fees. Understanding these fees is crucial for knowing the total cost of your purchase. Then click on You Receive Estimated to see the amount of Trump coin you will receive after fees. This provides clarity on your net purchase. A message will appear stating that by proceeding, you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. It is important to read these terms before proceeding. Finally, click on Pay to complete your transaction. This action will process your payment and finalize your purchase of Trump coin. If you would like to buy Trump coin on KuCoin yourself, I've placed the link in the description and pinned comment below. This will provide you direct access to the KuCoin platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.